Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, collectors of all ages, back with the last stack of the 1998 Bowman Series 2 hobby box break. No auto in sight yet, so this is it. This is the last chance for us to see if we get one. Really enjoyed opening both the Series 1 and Series 2. Very happy with the cards. I love this product, like I've said a million times in this video. So even though, you know, maybe we only got one auto out of 2 boxes, still very happy. Still enough to go ahead and put in a binder and then, you know, chase down any remaining cards that did not come out of my 2 hobby boxes. Who knows, maybe I'll, these 2 hobby boxes were pretty cheap, so maybe I'll be able to score 2 more hobby boxes and do 8 more videos for you guys. See if we can tie up loose ends as far as getting the rest of the set complete. Travis Fryman there, John Smoltz, and Chan-Ho Park. And then seeing if we can get any of those nice autos. You know, like I've said before, they don't have to be bangers, you know, the autos. Just getting any auto from me is amazing, and I think a fun chase. It's a fun experience to actually pull one. Quentin McCracken, Parallel, Mike Caruso, so Christian Guzman, Matt Kinney, Dan McClenny. There's a Mo. Nice, 1998 Mo. Ryan Klesko, Eddie Taubensee, and Billy Koch, and Esteban Yan. Oh, feeling nervous, guys. Feeling nervous. I really do want another auto. Chris Russell, Steve Shoemaker, Juan Encarnacion, Dwayne Wise, Jason Gooding, there's another Kenny Lofton. Oh, there's another Barry Bonds, okay. And another Mo. And Luke Allen. And then Jeff Yoder. So I definitely feel like there was more duplication in the Series 2 boxes. Oh, yeah, boxes, but box than there was in the Series 1. Salute Parallel. Deron Stoll. Steve Carver again. Jason Rackers. Jason LaRue. Ricardo Arambolas. Kerry Robinson. Adam Butler. Bobby Higginson. And Alex Rodriguez. So now we got the base Rodriguez and we got the parallel A-Rod. So that's cool. Alright, last 2 packs. Oh, for some reason this one feels fatter. I don't want to read anything into it. It does feel fatter in that last pack. Oh. I don't know, maybe it's because of that. Because of this thing? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Time will tell. Ah, no, what's down there? Something Dunwoody. I think that's the SIG, guys. I think it is. It looks like the same one. Same as the Cliff Polite. Polite, maybe? Polite. Oh, nice, dude. Nice. Feeling happy. And I'm not even like, I just want to get to the signature. Yeah, there we go. AJ Pazinski. All right. So we got our second SIG. Second auto, second to last pack. Todd Dunwoody. Autograph issue. I'll have to look him up. 'Cause it's a name that doesn't ring a bell. Just like Cliff didn't ring a bell. But surprisingly, he had 9 seasons under his belt. So, yeah. Very, very cool. Put him up there. Kenny Rogers. Jose Valentine. Bobby Smith. And Kevin Barker. All right, last pack, guys. Thank you for all who have been watching, sticking out the entire series. I hope you enjoyed. I know I have. Francisco Cordova, sorry. So it's been a very fun experience. I can't wait to Jason Grilly put all the cards together in a set, see what I'm missing, see what I need, see what holes I need to fill. And I'm actually, Jeremy Johnby, curious to look online on eBay to see what autos are out there actually for this set. You know, maybe I can pick up a couple more for the cheap. So we got Rick Helling, and for the very last card, a Danny Nagel with the Braves. So, yep. We were able to get a second auto in Series 2. So now we got Series 1 auto and the Series 2 auto. Very nice. Very happy. Hope you guys enjoyed. I've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll let you guys know when the next box opening is going to be. It will be for the second box of 1987 Topps. We'll jump right back into that and see what we can do and see who we can get, and we'll go from there. So hope everyone had a fun time with this. Be kind, be safe, and have a good night. See you on the next video.